Hello, my name is Corey Heminger. Before you click away from this video, let me ask you something important. Have you ever noticed how most people spend their entire lives working for money, but almost nobody ever teaches them how money actually works? We're told to work harder, save more, maybe start a side hustle, but very few people are ever shown how to build a real financial system that improves their position from multiple directions at the same time. And that's exactly the problem. Most people are trying to improve their finances with random pieces instead of a complete structure. They chase one opportunity, then another, and years later they're still searching for the answer. But what if the real solution isn't another opportunity? What if the real solution is building the right ecosystem around your finances? An ecosystem that includes financial education, income opportunities, lead generation systems, marketing tools, and even business funding opportunities. That's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. But today I'm going to show you how myEcon, Outer Edge Funding, and the Digital Web Kings ecosystem fit together to create something most people never see in the online income world, a system designed to help you improve your financial position from multiple angles at the same time. So if you've been searching for things like, what is myEcon? Does myEcon work? How to build income online? Or how to generate leads for your business, then this video may completely change the way you look at online opportunities and financial growth. So let's dive into it. If you've been searching online for ways to improve your financial situation, then this video is going to be extremely valuable for you. Because what most people discover very quickly is that the internet is full of random opportunities, disconnected tools, and confusing advice. But very few people ever show you how all the important pieces can actually work together in one system. That's exactly why I created the Digital Web Kings ecosystem. Digital Web Kings was designed to bring together three powerful elements: financial education, income expansion, and the tools that help you scale. Instead of chasing one opportunity after another, the goal is to create a structured system where each piece supports the others. Let's start with the foundation. The financial education side of the ecosystem begins with myEcon. myEcon is a financial education company focused on helping everyday people understand how money actually works. Inside the myEcon system, you'll learn powerful financial concepts like income shifting, tax education, credit awareness, debt reduction strategies, and financial organization. Most people earn money but never learn how to use it strategically. That's why so many people search online for things like myEcon reviews, what is myEcon, or does myEcon work? Because when people begin to understand financial education and income shifting strategies, it can dramatically change how their financial life operates. But education alone isn't the whole picture. That's where the second part comes in: income expansion, outer edge funding. Small businesses are the backbone of the economy, but many of them struggle to access the capital they need to grow. Through outer edge funding, business owners can explore solutions that help them expand, hire, invest in equipment, or stabilize. And for entrepreneurs who want to go even further, there's also an opportunity to become a business funding broker. This allows you to help connect business owners with funding solutions while earning commissions for facilitating those connections. In other words, you're not just creating income for yourself, you're also helping thousands of small business owners succeed. Now let's talk about the third part: scaling. Because even the best opportunity will struggle without the right systems. That's why Digital Web Kings also connects members with powerful marketing tools designed to help entrepreneurs grow their reach. Tools like Leads Leap for capture pages, your advertising center for traffic, and Leads on Demand for prospecting, and my Lead Gen Secret for daily leads. These tools help create consistency, which is one of the biggest challenges most entrepreneurs face. But one of the most unique parts is something called the Weekly Pay Secret System. It provides an additional layer of support. Inside the Weekly Pay Secret System, you receive resources like capture pages, funnels, blog hosting, and lead generation support. When you create your account, we will provide you with 200 leads to get you started. The goal is simple: reduce confusion, provide structure, and give people a clearer path to building momentum. Because one of the biggest reasons people struggle isn't a lack of effort, it's a lack of structure and support. Digital Web Kings solves that problem by bringing together financial education, business funding opportunities, and the marketing tools needed to scale online. Instead of trying to figure everything out alone, you now have a connected ecosystem designed to help you grow financially in multiple ways, improve your financial knowledge, expand your income opportunities, and build systems that can help you scale. So, if you've been searching for myEcon, looking for income opportunities or lead generation systems, I invite you to explore the full ecosystem. Visit digitalwebkings.com. There you'll see how everything comes together to create something much bigger than just another opportunity. A complete system designed to help people build a stronger financial future. Head to digitalwebkings.com now to check it all out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the inside.